So this US oil analysis for Tuesday, the 21st of August. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices break beyond the 65.60, tested the 65.60 on a couple of occasions, held the support, saw the break of the 66.12. We did have the break of also the 200 period average, and we did seem poised for a test of that 66.71. What we did see was from the market close, we opened lower, opened below the 65.60. That's strange. That's very strange. What we did see was a breakdown in prices from this 66.71, breaking down beneath the 65.60. Do appear to be holding resistance around 65.60. So if we do see this fall through to the downside, looking for a move down towards our 64.75, previously an area we found support, successful break from which to the downside beyond 64.75. We're then looking for prices to head towards the 63.76, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards our 63.05 here on the US oil. If we do, however, find support and we can break and hold above the 65.60, we're looking for a move towards our 66.12, successful break from which we're then looking for a true test of that 66.71. And if we do see price progression beyond 66.71, we're looking for a move towards that 67.12 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts to see how prices are developing. On the daily chart here on the US oil, we can see here we've had prices come down in towards our 200 period moving average on the US oil in around that 64.75, slightly below that. We've held support. We've had a strong bullish move to the upside, and this move to the upside seems to have been capped somewhat in around 66.71. So from there, we'll see whether we can hold that support. If we do see a retracement down towards that 64.75, if we do fail there, again, we did mention levels that we are looking at, especially that 63.76, which is in around our previous low before we did see this move up towards that $75 a barrel mark here on the US oil. Overall, we can see we have our highs, we have a series of lower highs. The market does appear to be turning somewhat counter to the large trend, especially on the monthly and weekly time frames, which has been to the upside from in around at $30 a barrel mark. So we are seeing that counter trend. So we'll see again if we do hold that 64.75 or that 63.76 for a potential head and shoulders if we do fail in around that $72-73 barrel mark. If we do see this retracement up towards that level and a failure, potential head and shoulders, which is a somewhat bearish price pattern. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.